how to find Deezer Labs settings on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find Deezer Labs settings on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings icon here in the top corner. Click on it, and now just scroll down until you find here this one, Deezer Labs, and click on it. And as you see here, you can manage Deezer Labs settings, and you can just turn it on or off and then just go back. It will be saved, and that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.